Guys, finally, it fucking happened. It finally fucking happened. I got myself a Keystone. See? Told you it finally happened. I was thirsty. No, seriously, guys. They sold. Finally, these have sold. I need to get the car up in the air. I finally sold the wheels. It took me forever. The only item I've ever sold for a car that took me this long. They're going down to Houston, Texas. I can't remember the gentleman's name right now, but I'm gonna pop his tag up right here because I told him I mentioned him in the video. Heading down to Houston here, so I gotta get him off the car, get him packaged up to ship out. I said I would never do this again, but for these wheels, I'll make an exception to get them gone. I've already ordered the new wheels. They're actually on their way. They should be here within 2 weeks roughly to my doorstep is what they're saying, which is actually a really good turnaround compared to everything else I've ordered. So yeah, about 2 weeks they should be here, already mounted and balanced too. I wanted to go ahead and order as one giant package this time so I'm not dicking around trying to get the wheels there, getting them scuffed. Now they're gonna ship them already done, kind of like I'm doing this for this guy. Just make my life a lot easier. So let's go ahead and drink a little bit more Keystone. And let's get this car from the air. Watching a little halcyon right now, the AutoCon event, also with Crispy Media. Very, very good, guys. If you like cinematic videos like I do, go check those guys out. I'll link them down below for you. I've never even met them, but I just like watching their videos. Their footage is fantastic. And also, before I take this off, just one last look. God, I love the design of these wheels. Maybe one day I'll get back into something like this again. Hopefully there's another 5-spoke that'll come out that I'll really fall in love with like I did this, but hopefully it'll offer a fucking 8-inch wheel and proper offsets. Please, proper offsets and a proper size. Thank you. Alright guys, so I got most of the wheels off now, but one thing I wanted to show you, I mentioned this in past videos, but since I have these one last time here, here's another reason why. I am going to coilovers eventually, but these wheels being so wide and everything, even on coilovers I had to get custom top hats, and on stocks, it's close, right? So you think you'd be like, alright, you're close, but you work. Well, once these tires heat up, these expand and then they start to rub, and they would start to smoke around 60, 70 miles an hour. The guy who's getting these now owns a 240, so that won't be an issue for him. But yeah, on my car, these wheels were too tall for the top hats and stuff, which I knew was gonna be close. I just didn't realize it was gonna be that close. So I'm glad to have these gone. At the same time, I'm gonna miss them. But last wheel I gotta take off and on to new and better. Now for the unfun part, which is shipping these out. I've got to wrap them up. I've got cardboard here. I've got wrap in there. I've got plenty of duct tape, or not duct tape, clear tape or whatever. I'll kind of go over with you guys what I did. I showed you this before, but for anyone that's new, I'll show you guys how I do this and ship stuff out. This is the same way like Tire Rack, Discount Tire. This is how they ship wheels with tires already on them. Actually kind of makes it easier because the only thing you need to protect is the face and the back side of the wheel. Most of the face, being honest. And with these being curb protector tires, they stick out past the lip of the wheel. So for me, this is just kind of like an extra precaution, but it's probably not gonna do a whole lot. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Guys, it's like 8 billion degrees in my garage right now. Let's go ahead and turn this down real quick. It's like 8 billion degrees in here. At least it feels like it. I'm sweating like a hog. This sucks, but the wheels are done. I was gonna show you, but I had to get it done. I was helping my wife, and I still got other stuff I gotta help her with yet. But they're all wrapped up here, if you can see. What I do is piece of cardboard on the front of the faces, front and back, and then you get this saran wrap looking stuff at like Lowe's. It's like $8 or so, and you just keep wrapping that around and keep going and going and going. And then when you're done with it, what I usually do to make sure it doesn't come off is I put a piece of tape and wrap it the whole way around the tire 2 to 3 times, and that usually holds it pretty good. I mean, the last time I shipped the guys, like it took them forever to get the stuff off. It doesn't make a sticky residue, but it's adhesive. Just think of it like a regular saran wrap. It's a pain in the butt, and I'd rather it be a pain for the next person to get it off than they can get damaged. So this is the way I recommend doing it, and this is how Tire Rack and all the big companies do it also. So now I need my fans' opinions. I need y'all's opinions on what to do here next with the MR2. Ty from TCS is willing to send me a rear big brake kit. So as we know, I have the wheel woods in the front. Ty also, who sent me these from TCS, makes one for the rear. Now, and also want to say here, God, this is so much better than last year, guys. If you remember, I was using the GoPro. This would be like all black. You barely see anything. Thank God for this new camera. On that note, though, he's willing to send me the Wilwood big brake kit that goes in the rear, use like an RX-8 rotor or something of that nature. The only problem I have is, and I need your guys' opinion on this, when you do that with his kit, you lose your e-brake. Now, there's other guys running it, no problems, but I lose my e-brake, and I kind of have a problem with that. I don't know if I'm just overthinking it. Obviously, I always put my car in gear no matter what. Every time I park somewhere, no matter what, the car gets put in gear. Period, end of story. But I always pull up the e-brake too as a safety precaution. I mean, it's kind of why it's there. So what do you guys think? Should I go ahead and put the big brake kit on? I need your feedback, and I might even do an Instagram poll. If you don't follow me on Instagram, guys, go ahead and check that out down below, or check right here at PureFunction_. Put the little underscore because some guy with 12 people that follow him already has the name PureFunction. Go figure. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Should I do the big brake kit so I say YOLO, forget the e-brake, or am I being precautious for a reason that, you know, duh, dumbass, you do need e-brake. God forbid the brakes go out and then you don't have one. So let me know down in the comments, guys. What do you think? As you can see, guys, now it's the following day. I couldn't get all the video done in one day. It's typical for me. I usually can't get all the video done in one day. But back out in the garage here now, I've got all the receipts, or to get you tracking numbers and all that stuff for the wheels that I need to ship out. They're gonna get picked up tomorrow by UPS. Thank God I am close with the UPS guy. Apparently they'll do pickup, but they charge for it. The UPS guy that's local with me, my dad usually gives them tickets and stuff because my dad does all that corporate stuff. So it's actually pretty cool with him. It actually helps me out a ton. So yeah, he's actually gonna pick up the wheels for me, so I don't have to drop them off anywhere. I just gotta put them out front, let him know when he's coming or whatever, and I'll put them out front for him right then and there because I don't want these sitting outside. So yeah, just gotta put these tickets on, which obviously I have them backwards so you can't see the address or where they're going. But yeah, time to send these out. All right, so I got them stickered up now, good to go. And Cody's here now. Cody, we were just talking. Cody was bringing up what like motivates you and stuff. Like how do you get like motivated into videos and stuff? Cody's been doing how long you've been making videos now? Like you've been legit going hard at videos now, especially with the dealership, and now for yourself for how long now?
I mean, really since January.
So January now, he's been going hammer at this, and it's like up, down, like this. It's just, dude, fucking making videos is crazy, right?
Yeah, it's like an emotional roller coaster that like never freaking ends.
That is like to a T, and I wish more people would like understand like how much it is like this all the damn time. I guess I should mention, guys, the new wheels will be here in about 2 weeks or so. Because Cody really wants to ride in the Supra. That's the big thing I wanted to mention here. He fucking loves riding in the Supra. He fucking loves that car so much.
Get off it, man.
Why don't you like the Supra? You're such a bitch, bro.
I would like it better if I was the one driving it, but riding with you, like, rear ends could be blowing out, we could be fucking spinning wheels, doing donuts.
That's a dick thing to say. That's a dick thing to say.
Well, which I know like a lot of people like, but I mean, life's too valuable right here. You know?
You're valuable, huh?
I know this might not look like it, but it is.
He thinks he's worth a lot. He's got babies, so babies are important. So the babies need him, but that's about it. Besides that, Cody's not worth a whole lot. I mean, he's got a Keystone though, so I mean that does make him kind of important.
You did give me a can. I'm at least worth a can of Keystone.
He's worth, well, actually 2 cans. Let's get it straight. And this is the man that actually always gets me Keystone, because in West Virginia it is way cheaper than it is in Pennsylvania. Yes, I guess technically that's illegal, right?
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna have the cops in my house now. Great.
Yo, dude, we're so fucked.
I'm importing beer for Pure Function.
Because I'm an alcoholic. Actually, between the two of us, we drink way too much beer.
Yeah. You drink way too much beer. I'm good.
Oh, that's right. Oh, okay, never mind. It's just me, guys.
Hey, let's compare bellies right now. Let's compare bellies. All right, there you go. I think my point's valid. I think I just made a valid point.
Oh my God. See that, guys? It's giving me a hard damn time.
By the way.
Look at that.
And also, by the way, I got chills from that last video that you just saw, because that's some badass shit. I'm just gonna say it. It's gonna get uploaded like Ryan Scott used to do. It's gonna get uploaded tomorrow, but you're seeing it right now. So I gotta go do this thing like really quick.
Is this a vlog for a vlog right now, guys? You seeing this shit? Like, it's a vlog. It's a vlog inside of a vlog, because of vlogging with a vlogger.
That was only like, wait, when?
I don't know. It's just a vlog because you're talking and you're vlogging and I'm vlogging, so you're vlogging. It's a double vlog. It's triple vlogging.
So they can see your side of the vlog on your channel, and then they can see my side of the vlog on my channel, which my channel is Cody Reed. Go look it up. R-E-E.
Right here, guys.
Cody Reed, go look it up.
He's back at it. Cody, you have a good night, buddy.
All right, buddy. Hey, wait a second.
Wait.
You want to get an exhaust clip of my really loud exhaust?
Oh, guys, listen to this thing. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, that's on. There's like, this thing is so quiet. It has an NVIDIA exhaust on it. It is so quiet.
Audio was just louder in your camera than what my exhaust.
Probably.
I'm sorry to disappoint you guys.
Peace, Cody Reed. Later, bro.
I'm gonna go vape.
You're gonna go vape? Go vape, bro. I fucking love that guy. Such a good friend. I'm so fucking lucky to have him as a friend. You know, like you've got like a couple people in your life that you like, no matter what, they're always there. Like I've said this before, Cody and I, like he has a Subaru, but he's not a car guy. Like he bought it just because it was neat. Like he has zero interest in cars pretty much whatsoever. He sells cars for a living, but he sees them as dollar signs, not as something fun to do. And we really don't have anything in common. Every time I break it down, we really have like nothing in common, yet he's my best friend and we do everything together, and I think that's how it works. I don't know why. He likes to golf, I hate golfing. I'm into cars, he's not into cars. He likes football, I don't like football. Like, we have like nothing in common, yet, I don't know, we get along so well. Like, we can talk for hours upon hours and we like just mesh real well. It's funny how that all works out. I gotta grab my light out of here real quick, which obviously has no battery, of course. Grab that. There we go. Dude, I love this light. Flips up and down. But I was just looking under here. Let's see if I can get it. I don't think it'll even focus on that, will it? I rubbed the metal pretty much clean there. There's no paint left from the tire rubbing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to paint that. That's crazy. That's how the tire would heat up and rub. Like I said, guys, it would smoke. Obviously didn't damage this. It would not even damage the tire really, because it only happened 60, 70, which the car never really got up to that except that 1 or 2 times. Now with that all being said, guys, working on the cars, talking to Coda there, thank you guys very much for tuning in today. I always do appreciate your support. I'm at 30,000 right now. I want to try and get this channel to 100,000. Do me a favor, share this video, like, subscribe, do whatever you can to try and help me get there if you do actually enjoy this content. I don't want people to watch this or subscribe if they don't like it. Like, don't watch it or don't subscribe if you don't like it. I mean, that's just, I don't like every channel out there. That's just how it is. I like the content I create. I hope you like the content I create. And if you do me that favor. Also, do me another big favor. Go check out the Pure Function website. Got new hats, shirts, key tags, all that cool stuff. Thank you guys very much, and I will talk to you later. Peace!